Hi, this is Seid coming from the U.S. Fertilizer desk here at Freight Investor Services, and I just want to give a quick rundown of the week's trade in the NOla fertilizer markets. Starting off with urea, in the Q4 strip we saw a change in value this week of about $40. Prices maybe in the $5.25 range by Thursday afternoon. Monday and Tuesday were a little bit soft as we saw operations in NOla over the weekend start to pick up again as we sort of wade through the damage that Hurricane Ida left. Tuesday afternoon, though, is when the market sort of caught up to what could be a bit of a natural gas shortage over in Europe. The thought there is that if natural gas becomes expensive enough, we could see some nitrogen production shut down and those facilities marketing their gas to the open market. That would, of course, cause tighter supplies, at least in Europe for the time being. We saw that spill over into the Wednesday session, a big update on Wednesday with higher energy prices in Europe and in the US. And then on Thursday afternoon, we started to hear some rumors that a large producer might be canceling some urea and UAN contracts. So there's another potential supply shock that could push this thing further higher. In UAN, we saw a change in value this week of about $37, $38 in Q4 to about $3.90. Really inactive market this week. We did see only 2 trades, but those values pushing higher along with the strength in urea and the strength in the energy markets. And finally, in phosphates, we saw DAP values down maybe $5 or so to about $6.45 in Q4. The overall market talk is that supplies are tight. But when markets get quiet, those sellers get a little bit aggressive and start to hit bids, and I think that's what we saw a lot of this week. If you do have any thoughts or questions on NOla fertilizer derivatives, please shoot us an email at ferts@freightinvestor.com or visit our company's homepage at freightinvestorservices.com. That's all I've got today. Thanks, and have a good rest of your week.